We are at my home today here in Clyde, Texas, just east of Abilene. So right before you get to where the West got wild is where Clyde is. Here in Clyde, it's me and my wife, Chelsea, my two kids, Allie and Jagger. Routines around here are pretty crazy. I'm a Little League coach. I coach my son Jagger's team.
Hey, I want to see your belly button looking at me, okay, all the way through. All right, there you go.
My dad wasn't around when I was young. One of the best things about being a coach is helping guide these little guys into becoming young men. Things that I never had anybody to help me work on when I was that age. A lot of the kids had no idea that I'm a singer. I'm just Jagger's dad, you know. One day, you know, I could tell they were getting frustrated. They were getting real hard on themselves, you know. And I said, guys, I'm gonna just tell y'all a quick story about a competition that I was part of. It's called The Voice. I didn't win that. I was a finalist. I lost to several people. After that point, I had to either come off of that show as I'm a loser, or I'm gonna come off of this show as, you know what, I learned a lot about myself, and it made me a lot better.